situation in Yemen today is deteriorating. There's a killing every day. There's a conflict between Al-Qaeda and Al-Houthi. The Yemen, the South Yemen, what we used to call South Yemen, are fighting for their own independence. Istaqlal. They want to be an independent. They say, we will go back to 1990 border. This is when it was a two separate country. At that time, the collapse of the Soviet Union. We find nobody to support us. So it was natural to look for a North Yemen and merge with them. We were never one country before the word of Yemen came in 1913 at Dawla al-Mutawakkiliyya al-Yemeniyya, the state of Mutawakkil Yemeni at that time, but it was never really one country. It was always separate. And now they are demanding for that. Yesterday we heard the news, there was a big meeting in the south part of Yemen, on the Aden side, for their own parliament and constitution. They tried to call the people from the defense and security to be back to south and say, you belong to the south, you should be there to fight and to help for your own independent state there. Now, this is a creation of a new state, and then it may receive a big support from the Gulf countries, because let's save what we can save. South is 70% of the land, 70% of the resources, oil and gas, fishery and harbor are still in the south. At the same time, they share with Saudi Arabia almost close to 1,200 kilometer border. So that makes it extremely important, vulnerable for Saudi Arabia, not to let it collapse and not to let Al-Qaeda take over the south and announce a new state like what happened on the north side. So that's, again, it's a situation where we have that.